Updating to iOS 17/18 brings new features, but it can also slow down your iPhone. Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you 7 ways to fix it quickly. Part 1. Why is my iPhone so slow after iOS 18 update? Low storage, aging battery, unoptimized settings, brightness, motion, background tasks after update, outdated apps, weak network, too many apps open. Part 2. How to fix iPhone slow after iOS 18/17 update. Way 1. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8 and later. Press vol up, vol down. Hold power until the logo appears. iPhone 7/7 Plus. Hold power plus vol down until the logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier. Hold power plus home till the logo appears. Way 2. Delete unwanted apps and app caches. Tap an empty space on the home screen to make apps wobble, then tap the to delete, or go to Settings, General iPhone Storage and enable Offload Unused Apps. To clear cache, uninstall and reinstall the app. Way 3. Update all apps. Outdated apps can slow your iPhone, especially if they're not compatible with iOS 18. To update, open the App Store and tap Update All. Way 4. Clear history and caches. Whether you update iOS or not, your iPhone will gradually slow down if you don't clear the cache and history regularly. To help speed up your device, go to Settings, Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data to clear the cache. Way 5. Turn off background app refresh. If your iPhone slows down after iOS 18/17, turn off background apps. Steps: go to Settings, General Background App Refresh and disable it. This can improve speed and battery life. Way 6. Enable Reduce Motion. If your iPhone screen lags, enable Reduce Motion to speed it up. Steps: go to Settings, Accessibility Motion and toggle Reduce Motion on. Way 7. Turn off location services. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Tap an app to set location permissions. When I share, ask next time, or when using the app. Bonus: transfer files to computer to avoid iPhone getting slow after updating. iOS updates can slow your iPhone due to low storage. Use Mobikin Assistant for iOS to back up files like photos, music, and contacts to your computer without iTunes or iCloud. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and tap Trust on your iPhone. Step 2. From the left column, choose the data categories you'd like to back up. Then preview and select the files. Step 3. After selecting all the files, click Export in the top menu. Pick a location to save the backup, and the process will begin immediately.